We'll guide you through how to install Pandas in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We're now going to go and hand over to Pausa.
First of all, before installing Pandas, you need to make sure Python are installed on your system. Pandas is a Python library, so Python is required for it to work properly, and VS Code will be used as your coding environment. To install Python, just go to any browser to your liking and just go ahead and search for Python and hit enter. And just go ahead and go to the official Python website, and from here just go ahead and hover over downloads and just go to the latest Python version and just click on it. And now your exe file will be successfully downloaded, so just go ahead and run the exe file. And now here is the important part. Make sure to add Python exe to path and use admin privileges while installing py.exe are toggled on, just like so. And just go ahead and click on customize installation. Here, make sure pip is selected because pip is the package manager used to install Python libraries like Pandas. Keep the default option selected and just go ahead and click on next. Here, you can go ahead and toggle on install Python for all users and click on install. Click on yes if prompted and then just wait for the installation to complete. And once that the setup is finished, just go ahead and click on close. Now let's go ahead and verify our installation. So open command prompt in your computer by typing cmd in your Windows search bar and just go ahead and type Python space -- and version and hit enter. And now if you see our Python version, it means that the Python is correctly installed on your computer. And once that everything is installed, just go ahead and open your Visual Studio Code. And now here, just go ahead and open the folder where you want to work. So just click on open folder. And let's say this is the folder that I'm working on. So I'll just open the folder and click on select folder. And then once that the folder is open, the next step is to create a virtual environment. This keeps all your project dependency separate and organized. Inside VS Code, open command palette. So just go ahead and go to your search bar and just click on show and run commands. And now here, just go ahead and type Python and search for create environment and just click on Python create environment. And from here, just go ahead and choose the Venv option and select your Python version. And after selecting it, Python will start creating a virtual environment. You can see the loading process. So just wait to finish. And now at this point, VS Code will usually activate it automatically and you may see the environment name appear in the terminal. So let's click on the three dot and open your terminal. And now here you can see the virtual environment is active. Make sure the virtual environment is active before continuing. And once the environment is active, you are now ready to install Pandas. In the terminal, just go ahead and type for pip space install and Pandas. And then hit enter. The installation will begin and Pandas will be downloaded and installed inside your virtual environment. It may take some time. And now once that the installation is complete, Pandas is successfully added to your project. Now let's verify the installation. Inside the project folder, just go ahead and create a new file. For example, let's say I want to create test.py and hit enter. Now inside the file, just go ahead and type import space pandas space as pd. If Pandas is installed correctly, there will not be a yellow underline or inner error under this line. This means that VS Code has successfully detected Pandas library inside your environment. If you see a warning or underline, it usually means the virtual environment is not active or Pandas was installed in the wrong environment. Now your setup is complete. Pandas is installed inside Visual Studio Code using a virtual environment and now you are ready to start working on Python data project.